Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. NBA Playoffs Conference Semifinals Updates Day 1, May 5, 2026. The New York Knicks crushed the Philadelphia 76ers 137-98 to start the second round and keep up a historic postseason roll. Jalen Brunson scored 27 of his 35 points in the first half, and the New York Knicks emphatically added to a historic postseason roll by overwhelming the Philadelphia 76ers 137-98 in Game 1 of the Eastern Conference semifinals. The Knicks became the first team in NBA history to win three straight postseason games by at least 25 points, continuing a wave that began midway through the first round against Atlanta by shooting 63% from the field and leading by 40 points. OG Anunoby added 18 points on 7 for 8 shooting, while Karl Anthony Towns had 17 points with 6 rebounds and 6 assists in just 20 minutes. Paul George scored 17 points for Philadelphia. Embiid just shot 3 for 11 for his 14 points, and Tyrese Maxey had 13, not making his first basket until 5 minutes into the second quarter. Edwards returns and the Timberwolves overcome big game by Wembanyama to beat the Spurs 104-102 in Game 1. Anthony Edwards scored 18 in his unexpected return from injury, and the Minnesota Timberwolves overcame a huge game by Victor Wembanyama and held on to beat the San Antonio Spurs 104-102 in the opener of the Western Conference semifinals. Wembanyama had 11 points, 15 rebounds, and set an NBA postseason record with 12 blocks. He's the third player to get a triple-double in the playoffs, including blocks, since the league began fracking blocks in 1973-74 season. Randall finished with 21 points and 10 rebounds for the Timberwolves, while Jaden McDaniels chipped in 16 points. Harper contributed 18 points, and Stephen Cassell had 17 for the Spurs. Let us have the NBA Playoffs Conference Semifinal games scheduled on May 6, 2026. Game 1 of the best-of-7 series between Cade Cunningham and the Detroit Pistons and Donovan Mitchell and the Cleveland Cavaliers will happen in Little Caesars Arena at 7 a.m. Philippine Time or 7 p.m. Eastern Time. LeBron James and the injury-plagued Los Angeles Lakers will be tested against the league top-tier team, the Oklahoma City Thunder, led by Shai Gilgeous-Alexander in Paycom Center at 8:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's proceed to the NBA Conference Semifinals Series result as of May 5, 2026. Let's start with the Eastern Conference. The New York Knicks leads their series against Philadelphia 76ers 1-0. Detroit Pistons and Cleveland Cavaliers have yet to play Game 1 and their series is tied at 0-0. The Minnesota Timberwolves leads their series against San Antonio Spurs 1-0. And the Oklahoma City Thunder has yet to play Game 1 against Los Angeles Lakers and their series is tied at 0-0.